YouTube, as y'all can see, I did get pulled over, bro. I got pulled over for following too close. I did not indeed get a ticket for that, but you know, it's kind of crazy that I did just get pulled over for that. I guess he thought we was racing, but it was a Camaro that got on the highway with me. I guess he thought we was racing, but we wasn't. And he just pulled me over for that. But yeah, that's why I picked up the camera. Bro, that's fucking crazy. YouTube, what's going on, man? It's my SRT Char coming at y'all with another goddamn video, man. And today's video, what I got for y'all boys today is, I'm gonna give y'all boys a POV, and I'm also gonna be telling y'all boys 5 things I hate about my SRT 392. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I had this car for about a year now, so I know how this car is, and I know my dislikes about it, and I know my likes about it. So I'm gonna be doing like 5 things I dislike about the car. I wanted to incorporate a POV into this video too, because I know a lot of y'all really do like the POV videos. So I ain't dropped one in a while, so I decided, like, let me do a POV first, which it's only gonna be like a 5-minute POV. I mean, if y'all boys want to skip up until the 5 things I hate, go ahead, but this is gonna be the POV part for now. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Bro, let me tell y'all boys something, bro. I was just trying to film a video for my car channel, like a different video. Well, I wasn't gonna do the 5 things I hate. I was gonna do a different type of video. I was trying to film it, and guess who pulled up in the parking lot that I was sitting at? The fucking police. Now, I don't know why they pulled up, because I do film my videos in Mexico, so I don't know how they even found me. But they pulled up, and you know, they was like on my dick, so I had to like skedaddle out of there. The motorcycle? I'm just trying to film a video, bro, and I got police on my dick. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, y'all heard the scat in a while. Like, bro, I get more looks on this car in a Scat than in my Hellcat. I think it's just because of the way it sounds, but bro, like, I remember, like, what was that, like 2 days ago? I had like 5 people record my car in like one day. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? My Hellcat never got recorded. I don't know, bro. But the Hellcat whine, it's like, to me personally, I feel like Scats do sound better than Hellcats, but it's more so a personal preference. Like, do you want to hear a whine, or do you want to hear just a naturally aspirated V8 engine? Me personally, I miss my Hellcat. I can't even lie. I can't lie to y'all boys. I'm not gonna sit here and tell y'all boys a lie, bro. That whine is just different, bro. Like, it's so different. And like, you don't hear that in normal cars. Like, you're not gonna hear, that's not some whine you're just gonna hear every day. Like, oh, a whine, a whine, a whine. You're not gonna hear that every day. So the fact that, you feel me, I had it and now it's gone, it hit different, bro. It hit different. It hit different. I can't lie. Comment down below though. Let me know. Would y'all boys rather get a 392? Would y'all boys rather hear a Scatpack engine or hear a Hellcat engine? So I know a lot of y'all probably gonna say Hellcat engine, but I ain't gonna lie, Scats, they hit different, bro. Like, that shit just be smacking. That should be It hit different. It hit different. I can't lie, it hit different. You can never go wrong with a Scat. Like, though, I ain't gonna lie. Like, after I sold my Hellcat, I low-key been appreciating my Scat a lot more, bro, for some reason. It hit different, bro. It hit different. It hit different. I can't lie, it hit different. I ain't gonna lie, it's a car coming behind me mad fast. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn over here, because I feel like that could possibly be the police. And you know, I'm not trying to get pulled over, so yeah. And I was just flying down that road. So yeah, I think it's best if we do. That's not the police. That is a fucking truck. That was a fucking truck. And I'm not gonna lie, that nigga was flying like a bit. Okay, so we at this hotel right now. Pretty nice, pretty calm, pretty calm, pretty calm. Shit, I almost missed the turn in a bit. No cap. No cap. Alright. Damn, bro. I love this Scat, bro. I love the Scat. I can't lie, I love the Scat. I love that naturally aspirated V8 engine. Fuck! Nah, no cap, bro. This shit go crazy. I can't lie. I ain't gonna lie, boys. I've been trying to move out of my apartment. I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying to move into some different shit, just cause they look better. But you know, that's been the whole process of what I also been doing. Also been taking care of my Discords, all types of shit, bro. Just a lot of work. You feel me? And you know, making sure everything is straight. You feel me? You know, because if y'all don't know, I don't get paid off YouTube, so like this is not my main priority right now. Obviously, yes, I do love doing YouTube, which is why I almost got over 100 videos posted in like a year. But you know, it's not my main priority right now. But yeah, I'm more so, obviously anything you do in life, you're gonna prioritize what's making you money. So yeah, that's what I've been up to lately. Sorry if y'all boys actually do watch the videos and you actually enjoy the videos. My fault. Okay, who we got at the line next to us? We got a Toyota Camry and a truck. Do them niggas want to race? Let me know. Let me know. Do these niggas want to race? I'm giving y'all boys a POV right now. He don't want to do shit, but we gonna do something. Let her roll the window down. Oh shit, car pulled out. He taking me. He taking me, chat. He taking me. He taking me. Oh, 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 oh. We going on his ass. We hit the dash on his ass, I ain't gonna lie. And the police was right there, so yeah, let's go film this what the fuck 5 shit I hate about my damn Scat before I get my ass pulled over. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I find a location to film this video at. I'll catch y'all boys in the next clip. 5 things I hate about the Scat. Starting off with number 1, because it's right in front of my fucking face. I hate that my headlight will not fucking work. My driver's side headlight has not been working since I bought the car. I scheduled appointments to get it fixed, but I actually never went and got it fixed because of just poor time management, and I just keep fucking up and not fixing it. But bro, I bought a new headlight for this shit, which was $150. I bought new wiring. No, not new wiring. I bought new fuses, and it shit still don't work. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with that headlight. I know they said something about like the control daytime. I don't know what the fuck, but it's like a part that you can buy. I'm gonna try that and see if that works, but I don't know what else to do with this headlight because it's just not fucking working. So yeah, that's number 1 because it was right in my fucking face as I started the video. So starting off with number 2, the thing I hate most about my fucking 392 Scat. I hate how loud the drone is. Now the drone in this car is extremely loud. I'm gonna start it up so y'all can hear it. I got this car straight pipe when I first bought it, which was a bad mistake on my end. I should have just got a full exhaust, but like the drone is loud, bro. Just listen. Now it's not that bad because like bro, I have a muscle car, so it's like bro, it's a loud car obviously, but you know, after a while of like driving and keep driving, like if you go on a road trip with this, it starts to get annoying. Like say you're not listening to music or you get bored of music, it's going to be annoying after a while. So that is what I would say number 2 is the most thing I hate about this car. Other than that, oh shit, what the fuck, a Honda? That was a Honda going crazy. Yeah, but that is number 2 about the most things I hate about the Scat. Number 3, what do I hate about the Scat? Now this is a raw video, so everything I'm telling y'all is straight up just real, like off rip. It's real, bro. I hate the color of my car. Now this is fixable. I mean, not everybody's gonna have this problem, but me personally, I hate the color of my car. It's white, so as y'all know, white gets very dirty very fast. Like it's like bug tar and shit on here. The side, like right here, attracts a lot of dirt because of the tires, obviously, and it's just bad, bro. Like I have to go to the car wash like probably like 2 times a week to really keep this car clean because it just keeps getting dirty. Like it doesn't matter what you do to it, it's going to continuously get dirty because it's white, bro. It's annoying as shit. I'm not gonna lie. That's the 3rd thing I hate about the Scat. Now number 4, what do I hate about the Scat? It's not really much I can say I hate about the Scat. Like it's low-key a perfect car. Oh, number 4, what I can say is I hate the fact that this car feels so limited. Like okay, I drove a Hellcat and I drove a Scat. The Scatpack, what I can say is it feels very limited, like on power wise. Like it doesn't feel like you're getting that full 485. It doesn't feel like you're getting that full 485, probably just because of the weight. You know, it's very fucking heavy. But you know, I hate that it feels limited. Like, I drove a Hellcat, everything just feels unlocked. Hellcats just feel very unlocked, like the whole car is just unlocked, you know. But Scats, it feels like you're on a limit to how fast you can go, like how everything pulls, how the gas accelerates. Everything just feels limited. But you know, it's still a pretty fast car, don't get me wrong. So yeah, I would say that it feels very limited. I don't know if there's any tunes. If you guys got any tunes you recommend for me to like unlock power and make it a little bit more faster, drop that down in the comments down below, because I definitely do need it. And yeah, number 5, what do I hate about the Scat? The last and final thing I hate about the Scat. Let me think. Oh, listen, Dodge, any Dodge employees, you see this video, bro, fix the fucking interior, bro. There's no reason I should be spending 30 to 40K. I feel bad for you niggas that buy Hellcats. If you spend like $60,000-$80,000 on a Hellcat or a Scatpack, bro, your interior literally looks like a base model, bro. It literally looks the same as a base model. I get that it's a muscle car. Not muscle cars aren't supposed to look good on interior, but like, bro, if we're spending like 20,000 more than a base model, bro, or 50,000 more than a base model, bro, at least give us some better fucking interior, bro. Like, god damn, you know, like the interior. What the fuck? Is that a motorcycle? It is indeed. Do a pull. You won't. He's not gonna pull it. He probably gonna pull it from the line. But yes, give us some better interior, bro. This is just bad. Like, it's just bad, bro. Like, we need better interior, bro. I ain't gonna lie, if you get the red, okay, you might be doing something. But if you get the black cloth, I don't know why niggas I don't know why niggas would buy a Scat with black cloth seats or a Hellcat with black cloth seats. That's probably the dumbest shit you could possibly do, just because of the simple fact that, bro, it literally looks like a V6, bro. Don't get that shit, bro. At least get red if you're gonna get the fucking regular cloth, bro, or get a different color, bro. No, there's no way you should have a Scat with black cloth interior. I hate that shit. But yeah, y'all boys, that is 5 things I absolutely hate about the Scat. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, it's hard for me to dig up 5 things I hate about the Scat, just because of the fact that, bro, this is like my favorite car. I mean, it's not really much bad things I can say about this car, bro. Like, it's a Scatpack. Like, who doesn't want this car, bro? It's a V8, 485 horsepower. You're probably gonna be the fastest shit on the road, more than likely. Just get a fucking Scat. So it's not a bad car. But yeah, y'all boys, that is gonna conclude today's video. I hope y'all boys did like this video. I'm gonna be coming back to being more active